binti Ahmad Ali. ID number FA17001. Is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Abdul Razak, FA17089.
My name is Nur Shakila binti Musa, ID number FA17079. Today I want to talk about the question that we get to our project dynamic. The problem statement asks us to make a mechanism design to connect the motor with the saw to perform the cutting operation. The saw should be able to move back and forth. The logs to be cut has a diameter of 0.5 meter, larger than the diameter of the motor disc.
The first one, the motion of this rod OA is rotate counterclockwise about this point O. The type of motion of this rigid body is the rotation about fixed axis. Second, the rod AB undergo both translation and also rotation. This is called general plane motion. This rigid body will traveling back and forth due to the motion of rod OA. We notice that the motion of the rigid body is transitional axis. The motion does not involve curvilinear path, so this is rectilinear translation.
As a conclusion, we designed the structure using the GIL software to understanding the kinetic analysis and the synthesis of the mechanism. Before we design the structure, we made some verification on the structure to be ensured that design will be efficient based on the project given. The final value of the velocity, acceleration, angular acceleration, and angular velocity already given based on the structure design in the software. After that, we make a manual calculation using a formula that has been taught in the class. Based on the calculation, we can conclude that the structure satisfies the design requirement.